All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to talk about something that's a total game changer for anyone who makes videos. It's a way to create polished, professional-looking content without ever having to step in front of a camera. Yep, we're talking about AI avatars, and we're going to use a really cool tool called HeyGen to show you exactly how it all works. I mean, seriously, just think about that for a second. What if all that stress, setting up the lights, picking out the right outfit, trying to remember your lines, or just that awful camera anxiety, what if all of that could just disappear? What could you create then? What would that open up for you or your business? Well, believe it or not, that's not some far-off sci-fi dream anymore. It's happening right now. AI-powered avatars, these digital presenters, are here and they're ready to do all the work for you. And honestly, the results are getting spookily realistic. Okay, so let's get into the why. Why is this blowing up right now? Because let me tell you, this is way more than just a cool party trick. Creators are flocking to these digital humans because they solve some of the biggest, most expensive headaches in making videos. And this right here, this really paints the picture, doesn't it? You've got the old way, super expensive gear, trying to coordinate a whole crew's schedule, spending days or weeks shooting and editing. Then you've got the AI avatar way. It just completely flips the script. We're talking affordable, lightning fast, and it's a one-person job. And maybe the biggest thing for a lot of us, it gets rid of that camera anxiety. It's just a huge, huge leap in making video creation accessible to everyone. All right, enough talk. Let's get our hands dirty and see just how simple this is. We're gonna walk through the whole process on HeyGen just to show you that this isn't some complex tech for experts. You can do this right now. So look at this. It really just boils down to 4 simple steps. Super easy. First, you pick an avatar you like from their library. Step 2, you give it the script. Just type it right in. Third, you pick a voice that has the right vibe. And then, the final step, you just click a button. Seriously, in the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee, you have a finished video. No cameras, no mics, and best of all, no doing 20 takes to get it right. Okay, but here's the thing. Having the tool is one part of the puzzle. Making your avatar sound, well, human, that's the other. And this is where the real secret sauce is. It's all in the script. How you write your script is what makes or breaks the final video. And this quote really says it all. You have to remember, the AI is brilliant, but it's not a mind reader. It can only work with the words you feed it. Your role completely changes. You're not the camera operator anymore. You're the writer, you're the director. You're the one pulling the strings to get a great performance. So, let's dive into some pro tips that make a world of difference. First, and this is the big one, write like you talk. If it sounds like something from a textbook, don't put it in your script. Simple as that. Next, think of punctuation as your friend. A comma is a little pause. A period is a full stop. You're basically giving the AI breathing instructions. And the best way to check your work? Read it out loud. If you stumble over the words or it sounds clunky, you can bet the AI will too. Oh, and one more thing, the little details are key. Spell out numbers and acronyms. Trust me, it helps the AI get the pronunciation perfect every single time. Okay, so that's the state of play right now, which is already pretty amazing. But this tech, it's moving at warp speed. So let's fast forward a bit. Let's take a peek into the near future and see where this is all headed. By 2026, we're not just talking about making simple explainer videos anymore. The goal is way bigger. We're talking about giving every single creator the power of a Hollywood-level production studio that fits on their laptop. The line between what's real and what's AI-generated, it's gonna get very, very blurry. And here's a taste of what that actually looks like. Just imagine this. You upload one single photo of yourself, and boom, you get a perfect, hyper-realistic digital twin. Imagine being able to tell the AI, hey, say that again, but with a little more excitement, or make this part sound more thoughtful. You'll be able to translate your videos instantly into dozens of languages with perfect lip syncing. And get this, you could even have your avatar hold a live, real-time conversation. The potential here is just, wow, it's mind-boggling. So that leaves us with a pretty big question to chew on, right? As this technology gets so good that you literally can't tell the difference between real and fake, who's gonna be the face of your content? Is it gonna be you in front of the camera, or are you gonna be the director of a perfect, tireless, multilingual version of you? The future is knocking and it wants to know what you're gonna do.